buffet if you want. We will not order. We can take a buffet. We can take a buffet.
Yes, whatever.
We're going towards the lake view, no? I've been here before. That is your restaurant. No? You show post lunch. Can you show us the property?
Just to show the restaurant.
What's its name?
Pillow bread.
So this is like you are giving us
Yes.
as a
For
complimentary.
to start. Yes. Yeah.
Look, pillow bread house complimentary. Thank you, so nice of you.
So along with this bread, we give this 5 slices.
How
The
to?
dip. Yeah, you mix this together.
Okay. And what is this?
The butter.
The butter.
Hard butter.
They have given it complimentary to start. You got pillow bread.
Yeah.
I have to pay for it. That's why it's so broad. Cheers. Can you take my photo? Can you take my photo?
Photo?
मुझे लग रहा है आप ऐड कर लो. आया नहीं आपका वीडियो. वीडियो नहीं आया आपका.
Like from us at Terminal of the Journey of the Planet.
We are coming again.
Give me the feedback how it is. It is like out
So
of the book.
you obliged me by giving 60 ml.
Yes.
So I have one more drink now.
ये एवोकाडो डिप्स है, ये सार क्रीम है, ये पाइनएप्पल वाले है, ये भी बहुत अच्छे हैं।
लो सर.
Yes, so उस टाइम पे मेन एंट्रेंस हुआ करता था, उसको बुलंद दरवाजा ही कहते थे, so that's why we kept it as it is, and it's made
We
by,
still call it Buland Darwaja.
yes, it's made by teak wood, जो सागवान की लकड़ी हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं.
Okay.
And this is our new build-up area, what we call the arrival pavilion, where we do some rituals for the guest, like flower shower, garlands, and aarti thali. And along with this, there are two largest ruin of the property. In the left, you can see it used to be a king's court, what we call the kacheri, where in early years ago all the meetings were held, justice was given, and tax were collected. Along with this, it used to be a malkhana,
Okay.
treasury,
Okay.
where they kept
treasury,
their
okay.
all valuable things, important documents, and it used to be taken care by the ministers. So on the right, it used to be a minister's house.
Okay.
Yes.
This is minister's house.
So you can imagine whenever royal families or extreme guests come from the outside, they use of the elephants. So it
Acha.
takes around 20 to 25 minutes to reach
To the height.
to the palace. Yes.
Okay.
From here you can see the crest of the palace. पहले के टाइम पे राजगढ़ पैलेस हुआ करता था, but now it's the Oberoi Rajgarh Palace.
Yeah.
Yes. So in the property there are 65 rooms of inventory. So 16 rooms are inside the palace, rest 49 rooms are inside the cluster. This is the way for cluster. We will come back for the room orientation.
Okay.
Yes.
So those are newly built rooms.
New
I would
built
say.
rooms,
16
yes,
rooms in
newly
the
built.
palace and then newly built rooms
Yes,
over there.
there are 49 rooms.
Mm-hmm.
So which rooms, like the rooms which are inside the palace, that rooms are in the different categories. Palace room with private terrace, palace pool, palace suite with private terrace, palace suite, it's like that.
Okay.
And this is the only way for the palace. We will go to the lake side.
First.
Yes. Then at the end we do have a wellness center which is operational for the in-house guest only.
Okay.
Yes. Recently the group is taking in. So 5 rooms of group. It's just family get together, Rakhi celebration and all. They are
Acha.
celebrating, yes. And this is our rain-fed lake, spread over 9 acres. We start from here and end to the wellness center, which is the
Okay.
any part of the property. And in the future we are planning to arrange some boats inside the lake.
Okay. So
Yes.
like, do you do something to clean it regularly?
Yes, we do have filters inside the lake and we do have water harvest system also.
So it is like already built into it.
Yes, yes. And the name of the lake is Takiya Tal.
Okay.
Because in the like King's army there was a soldier, the name was the Karamat Khan. So unfortunately who died in a battle in 1776. So there is a tomb which looks like a pillow. That's why we called it Takiya Tal.
So it is like an ancient name. It is not
Yes,
new
ancient
name you
name.
people
Yes,
gave.
yes.
This is
As
what it
we are
used to be called
Yes.
already.
Used to be called by the localites and villagers. Yes. So we kept it as it is. We restored the palace very carefully, so now it looks again beautiful. This is our wellness center, Ashmi by Oberoi. So there are 4 canopy rooms, which is our treatment rooms.
Okay.
We do have a steam and sauna for the in-house guests, which is complimentary for them. And one pool is there, which is the again infinity pool and pool for the in-house guests only. This entire hills are Manyagat Hills. Just behind this there is a national park, Panna National Park.
Acha.
But right now it's closed because it's a breeding time for the guest. Breeding time for
For
the
the
animal and
tigers.
Yes, breeding time for the animals. So monsoon में ये बंद रहता है around 2 months के लिए. So it will be reopened in the October.
Okay, so behind this hill.
Just behind this, and we are also in the buffer zone.
Okay.
Panna National Park. Yes.
Okay, so like tiger can come here also.
No, they cannot come because there are 2 fencings. One
Okay.
did by the forest area and one by us. You
One
can
by
see
us.
the fencings.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
It is over there. We can clearly see the fencing.
These all are palas trees. This palas tree is known as a flame of the forest because in the winters all the palas tree will be in the orange color. इसके अंदर जो flower आता है वो orange color का आता है.
Okay.
So 70% area is covered by palas tree. You can imagine कि winters में कैसी लगती होगी property पूरे orange color के साथ.
Understood. Even today it is looking very beautiful.
Our horticulture team is working very hard to maintain this greenery because you know Khajuraho का temperature in June it was 47 degrees Celsius. ये पूरा dry हो गया था पूरा area, hills वगैरह पूरी dry थी. But it's better for the sighting क्योंकि अगर जंगल dry होगा तो sightings अच्छी होगी guest को. Guest को sighting अच्छी होगी, guest पे sighting.
Weather is also supporting us today.
Whenever guests come here, they notice different species of birds. Like sometimes peacocks come also, sometimes monkeys. They run.
I hope people from foreign are also visiting.
Yes, so we are just waiting for the season. So it will be in the October to February. Lot of foreigners.
During
also come.
winters,
Yes.
people from outside
Generally
visit.
They prefer to go in the winters. क्योंकि राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है.
Agreed.
Yes.
And around those temples also it's quite
Yes.
hot.
So foreigners का like basically ये triangle होता है like वो राजस्थान से start करते हैं, राजस्थान के साथ फिर वो दिल्ली, आगरा, आगरा के बाद खजुराहो, they want to go यूपी तो वाराणसी जाते हैं. That's why यहाँ पे connectivity जो है वंदे भारत की दिल्ली से start होती है, खजुराहो stop, then वाराणसी. वाराणसी से भी अगर फ्लाइट या वंदे भारत भी है तो वाराणसी से स्टार्ट होकर के खजुराहो स्टॉप एंड देन दिल्ली. गुड कनेक्टिविटी है.
I think number of travelers would increase because of train connectivity now.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise it used to be
Here you
pretty
can
hard
see
for.
the rest of the palace. This is the one of the best Instagrammable picture point.
Okay.
Yes.
Palace is also looking quite beautiful.
You want to click the picture?
Yeah, of
Have you
course.
clicked?
No,
No, for the palace.
no, I want you to click my pictures also
Okay,
actually,
definitely,
if
sir.
allowed.
Yes,
Possible?
yes, you
Okay.
can. We do have outside sitting also, but it's closed due to rain क्योंकि sudden यहाँ पे rain start हो जाता है तो अभी outside area operational नहीं है. And in the property we do have the herb garden where we are growing some vegetables and food for the guests.
Okay. So like you're serving fully organic
Yes.
food.
And we are expanding it. You can see the banyan tree.
Hmm.
It's very old tree. You can see the roots. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा thick हो गई है ये. And it used to be a Mastani Kua before.
Acha.
Yes, so we kept it as it is, and generally we do the pottery sessions over here for the kids and adults also.
Okay.
तो बाहर से पोटर आते हैं और जो पोट्री सेशंस अरेंज करते हैं हम किड्स के लिए, फिर हम उनको गिफ्ट देते हैं जो भी वो एक्टिविटीज़ वगैरह क्रिएटिव या ग्लासेस वगैरह जो भी बनाते हैं. This is the way to the palace.
Okay.
And you will notice some ruins. So in the left, it used to be a Mastani Mahal.
Okay.
So this ruin believed that the Mastani spent the early years of her life, and she was the daughter of Maharaja Chhatrasal, who ruled and united the entire Chhatarpur and Panna. And after him, his son Raja Hindupat Singh Bundela carried forward his legacy and built this palace and temples around here.
Name of his son is
Hindupat Singh Bundela.
Hindupad Singh Bundela.
Hindupat Singh Bundela.
Okay, I
Yes.
never knew that.
And have you seen the movie Bajirao Mastani? You know Bajirao
Not
Mastani?
exactly, but I heard about Mastani and all.
Mastani. So Mastani was the daughter of Maharaja Chhatrasal and his Persian wife Ruhani Begum.
Okay.
Yes. So she grew up around here, learning dance, swordmanship. Later she married with Peshwa Bajirao. सो बाजीराव पेशवा बाजीराव जो है मराठा के कमांडर हुआ करते थे और पेशवा एक टाइटल हुआ करता था, वी कैन से द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। यस, उस टाइम पे। तो पहले के टाइम पे भी ये ऐसा फोरकोट ही हुआ करता था, बट जगह थोड़ी कच्ची हुआ करती थी। एंड इन द पैलेस देयर आर टू पार्ट्स। दिस एंटायर एरिया इज ओल्ड एरिया एंड दिस इज न्यू बिल्डअप एरिया।
Okay.
So there are some elevators as of now, and before there was the only entrance. There are 47 elephant steps. I
Okay.
was talking about the elephant, so I'll show you the elephant steps.
Okay.
So whenever guests come from outside, they sit on the top, like back of the elephants.
Okay.
And elephant used to climb this step.
Okay.
There are 47 steps. You can see huge gap between this. ऊपर की साइड में ये वाली नई स्टेप्स है
अच्छा.
ऊपर की साइड में, सो इट वाज इजी टू क्लाइंब।
हाँ, for elephants to climb.
Yes.
Okay.
उसके ऊपर की साइड में नौबत खाना। हाँ, यहाँ से आप थोड़ा सा देख सकते हैं, बट वी विल गो टू द एलिवेटर। फॉर मॉडर्न किंग्स वी डू हैव एलिवेटर्स, बिकॉज़ वी डोंट हैव एलिफेंट्स राइट नाउ, वी हैव बैकपैक्स। सो
Okay. We can see like the broadness of these stairs.
हैव यू नोटिस्ड दिस स्टेयर्स?
No.
ये वाली जो स्टेयर्स है वो इसलिए हुआ करती थी कि इफ एनी सीनियर सिटीजन
हाँ.
सिट ऑन द बैक ऑफ द एलिफेंट्स,
Okay.
वो यहाँ पे ड्रॉप कर सकते थे उन्हें,
अच्छा.
ऊपर की साइड में या कहीं पे भी। सो इट वाज इजी टू क्लाइंब अपस्टेयर फॉर द गेस्ट।
Okay.
But now we close this as a safety purpose.
Okay.
So there are elevators, and it used to be a watchtower before. From there, soldiers used to watch the entire area.
Okay.
सामने। Please watch your step. Please. Can you tell me where we were before?
I think we came from there, na?
Yes.
Actually, we were,
Yes, so we were there
looking at
before.
that.
That is our wellness center, and that is Nirangan. And the main entrance of property is there. The बुलंद दरवाजा। So आपकी गाड़ी आई थिंक वहीं पे पार्क होगी
हाँ, yes.
मेन एंट्रेंस पे। और बाहर जो पॉइंट दिख रहा है वो राजगढ़ का जो पॉइंट है वो है, वो छोटा सा टाउन राजगढ़ है।
Okay.
यस।
Rajgarh Palace. So this entire region is established by Chhatasal Maharaj, Panna, Rajgarh, Chhatarpur.
यस।
Okay.
This palace is built by राजा हिंदुपत सिंह बुंदेला, और उनसे पहले उनके फादर रूल करते थे छतरपुर एंड पन्ना को। सो एज ए ग्रेटिट्यूड उन्होंने बाजीराव के हाथ में उनकी डॉटर जो मस्तानी थी उनका हाथ दिया था, बिकॉज द महाराजा छत्रसाल वंस अटैक्ड बाय द मुगल कमांडर। सो उस टाइम पे हेल्प मांगी थी मराठा एम्पायर से, दैट्स व्हाई।
Okay.
इट्स ऑल अबाउट हिस्ट्री ओनली। कैन बी for the in-house guests we arrange historian walk also. So,
Okay.
जो यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट पे जो गाइड्स होते हैं उनमें से कुछ सिलेक्टेड गाइड्स हैं,
अच्छा.
वो आते हैं और गेस्ट को हिस्टोरियन वॉक करवाते हैं, which
Okay.
starts from the main entrance and end to the palace. Yes.
So they like tell the entire story to them.
History, deep history. हमें तो पता है तो वो लाइक ऊपर से, but if someone
We know only the surface of it.
please watch your steps.
Okay. Oh wow.
So this is our
Oh wow. Isn't it dangerous?
not dangerous. So it's an infinity pool. So it looks like वहाँ पे ending नहीं है इसकी, but there is a wall and उसके नीचे ही water up to the recycle हो जाता है.
But what if somebody goes off the wall then?
नहीं जाएगा ना. जब आपको यहाँ से लग रहा है बाहर कि वहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं ending में, but there is a wall.
Acha.
Yes. That's why it was it.
Wow. This is something really great I'm looking for the very first time. And it's kind of, quite, what should I say, like very surprising to imagine something like this here. Because we normally see these things in TV only.
So that is 4.5 feet and 1.2 meter from this pool.
4.5 feet throughout.
Feet deep.
Throughout.
Yes.
Same depth.
This is for adult only, not for kid.
Okay. And length is?
Length is, I'm not sure.
I think for 50 meters maybe.
You can see the greenery. This entire area is a buffer zone of the national park. So sometimes what happen, like in the early mornings and the evenings, sometimes deer used to generally comes over here, monkeys, peacocks, lot of peacocks.
Okay.
Yes. You want to take the picture?
Yes, of course.
अच्छा हाँ ये वाला. Private garden. Each and every cluster is same.
Okay, we are in room, huh? This is room.
Guest service. Guest service. Guest service. Yes.
Empty.
So this is the premier room with private pool.
Okay, there's private pool in it.
Yes.
It's swimmable.
Yes. Yes.
We can swim in it.
Yes.
Like whoever
It's a
stays
private
here.
pool for this particular room.
Wow. It will be great experience to stay in this one. And what is the cost of this one?
It's depends on occupancy. The rates are flexible, but the bar
Around-
rate for this it's around 60,000
60,000 for a night
for plus taxes for a
plus taxes.
for couple.
Acha, for couple.
For double occupancy, we can say.
For
Yes,
double
double
occupancy,
occupancy,
60,000 plus taxes for a night. Okay. And like room also vary from budget wise.
Yes.
So we begin from which rate?
For that, you have to talk with our sales team and the
Acha,
reservation.
acha, acha,
Not
acha.
able to give the rate because we do have a centralized reservation system.
Hmm.
So, like the head office is in Delhi.
Acha. So from there everything is being decided. I've been to Oberoi, Delhi. No,
Okay.
there's one nearby Oberoi. What is the name if you know? Something.
Trident?
Trident. Yes, I've been to Trident, Gurgaon. Yeah, like Oberoi and Trident is close to each other. So I've been to Trident.
Trident is a business segment.
Of Oberoi only. But it was also a great experience to stay in that hotel. This is washroom.
Each cluster has one concept. You find 6 rooms like this. Left side 2 rooms in right and 2 in the front.
Similar rooms
Similar rooms,
in one
size,
cluster.
similar garden, similar.
Oh, okay. So each cluster has 6 rooms
6 rooms. Each cluster has 6
and
rooms.
exact similar rooms in each cluster.
Room sizes is 75 square meters.
Okay.
So there are 9 clusters, 8 clusters inside this.
Okay.
Yes. 9 pools room we do have.
Okay. And if somebody wants to stay directly in the room inside fort,
Inside the fort there are 16 rooms.
then how much do they cost?
Different categories. Around 1,20,000 plus taxes.
For a night,
bar
one
rate.
room. Double occupancy or
Double
single? Okay, double occupancy, 120 for a night.
Yes.
Okay, so those rooms look like this one or like
It's different. You will not find
more
the pool
premium than
inside that.
more premium than
No,
this one?
So both the categories are different concepts. If you talk about here, you will get a spacious room and the private pool and garden. If you talk about the palace, from there you will get a better view
Okay.
because it's on
And
the
you'll
top
also
of
get the
Manya
feel of
Gardens.
being inside fort
Yes,
and all.
yes.
So it is a like
You will
totally
feel a
different
royal touch,
experience.
yes.
It will be a totally different experience in
Perfect
those rooms.
combination of history and luxury.
Understood. This is why like charges are much premium over there. You'll feel like Chhattisal Maharaj.
Yes, more than Chhattisgarh. Can we?
Yeah. So we are done with our property visit.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to say some sea of words on the camera?
No. So, as I mentioned, it's Oberoi's first palace property. So I feel really proud to work with the first palace property. That's it. And
You
nice
feel
meet
proud
you.
to be part of this.
Yes. And nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you too.
Yeah, it's been not only nice, it's been a very great experience to be with you.
So much.
And the way you've been behaving and telling me everything, it's really great. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
So, guys, we are at the best, most luxurious, and the most expensive property of Khajuraho. It is newly opened Oberoi Rajgarh Palace Hotel, and the kind of amenities, the kind of facilities this hotel is providing is, you know, is highly premium, and it's beyond regular people. This is why it is open for premium people only, somebody who can really afford it. The room costs, you know, I mean, the beginning of the rates is from 60,000, 70,000 rupees only. So you can only imagine only what kind of people can afford to stay in this hotel, and you can only understand the premiumness of this hotel. So anyway, that was the Oberoi Rajgarh Palace, the most luxurious, the best, and the most expensive property of Khajuraho. I would like to listen to your comments and views and opinions about it. How was your experience watching the video? Are you planning to go to hotel like this? And if you are planning to come to Khajuraho, will you like to stay? Will you like to make your stay in this hotel or not? So whatever you want to share with me, feel free to share it in the comments, and I'll try to bring some other property for you in the, maybe some property, maybe some hotel, maybe some restaurant. You know, wherever I'll visit, I'll try to keep on bringing all of the properties and cafes and restaurants and pubs and whatever. I'll keep on visiting for you people also here on my channel Swift Fly Trips. You can see the fort behind me. This is the Rajgarh Palace. You know, it used to belong to Chhattisal Maharaj and his son. So they used to live in this fort. You can see the fort behind me. Chalo, anyway, bye. We'll meet sometimes later. Bye for now.